And welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are all having a fantastic day. So for today's video, I'm sure you can tell by the title, we are going for a drive. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to test out the GoPro that I got. It's a Hero 8. I do not have a dead cat or like wind blocking piece of something, whatever. I don't know what you call it. I don't have anything blocking the microphone from the wind noise. So the first half of the video, it does pick up a lot of wind noise. So I do apologize. For the first half, I have it mounted on top of the car with a suction cup mount, just a cheap one off of Amazon. And then for the second half of the video, I have it just mounted to my hat with a hat clip. So I think it turned out pretty cool. Something I did notice is how beautiful this state is of West Virginia, just driving these back roads and stuff. Basically, it's just me starting at the bottom of my driveway and getting to the main road. So it takes like 7 minutes just to get to the main road. So yeah, you guys will literally see what I mean when I'm talking about I live out in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty crazy. You'll be able to tell why I can't keep my car clean to save my life. I was looking at my wheels earlier. I just literally washed them and stuff. Huge shout out to Option Lab. They look sick, but yeah, literally just washed them the other day and they're filthy already. It sucks, but yeah. Oh, I was gonna say, I realized how beautiful the state is watching these videos back, but then I also see how much trash and stuff is all over the roads, in the ditch, in the woods. Like, it is so sad. This is a beautiful state. People that litter, you suck. You gotta be some scum to throw bags and bags of trash out your window while you're driving or whatever you're doing. I don't know, jaywalking, something, I don't know. But yeah, today's lesson, do not litter. Terrible for the environment, looks absolutely disgusting. You guys will see it. It's bad, man, it's bad. But nonetheless, let's get into the driving. Let me know what you think. If you guys want to see any more videos like this, I don't really know how many of you guys are going to be into like POV driving and stuff. The exhaust sounds might be pretty cool, but like I said, when it's on top of the car, you catch a lot of wind. But I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool and I wanted to test out the GoPro. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Peace.